Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I want to compare popular robot vacuum and mop combos, specifically the eufy X10 Pro Omni, the Roborock Qrevo, and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. I'll discuss both their similarities and differences while offering my recommendations. Eufy and Roborock did provide me with these samples, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in any of the products you see here, the links will be in the video description. First, let's cover the fundamentals. The eufy X10 is the least expensive of the three, with the S8 Pro Ultra being the most expensive. They all come in black as a color option, with both Roborock models also offering a white color option. All three units support vacuuming, mopping, self-empty, refilling, and drying. There are some differences within those features that we'll discuss later. All three models excel at basic tasks like debris collection on hard floors and carpets. They also share comparable vacuuming hardware featuring adjustable brush housing and a single side brush for sweeping. The pricier S8 Pro Ultra does boast two main brush rollers, while the other vacuums are equipped with just one. In actual real-world usage, you won't notice much of a difference or advantage with the dual brush design on the S8. The eufy X10 brush has integrated rubber and bristles to better capture hairs on carpets versus just an all rubber brush. Typically with this design, you will find more hair tangles, but the X10 features a built-in comb that flips down at the end of cleaning to automatically remove any hair caught on the roller brush. This is great for pet owners and houses full of long-haired humans. In regards to suction power, the Qrevo is the lowest at 5500 PA. This is the same suction though as the previously top-of-the-line S7 Max Ultra, followed by the S8 at 6000 PA, and then the X10 at 8000 PA. Each of the three vacuums offer advanced mopping capabilities, albeit with minor differences in their methods. For example, the X10 features MopMaster 2.0 technology, which applies downward pressure at 180 RPMs. It also supports edge hugging to get closer to your baseboards and those hard to reach areas. The mop pads are also uniquely shaped in a pentagon design to support more overlap versus your traditional circular pads like those which are found on the Qrevo. Speaking of shapes, you may notice that the X10 has unique D-shaped design versus the rounded design on the Roborock vacuums. This D shape helps the X10 clean better in corners and those hard to reach areas around your house. The S8 Pro Ultra, same as its S7 predecessor, uses a single flat mopping pad that vibrates as it applies downward pressure. Additionally, all three models include mop pads that automatically lift when the robot detects carpet, a critical feature for maximizing efficiency. The X10 lifts up to 12 millimeters, whereas the Qrevo is only 7 millimeters, and the S8 comes in at a measly 5 millimeters, also the same as the S7. While each system is slightly different, they all perform very similar to each other in real-world testing. All three models have docks which allow for charging, self-empty, mop pad washing, and drying. Having mop pad washing is great to consistently get clean floors. If your mop pads aren't clean, your floors won't be either. If budget allows, it's definitely best to get a unit that supports mop drying. This helps prevent mold, mildew, and unwanted smells. In terms of mapping and navigation, they all function similarly, using the same underlying LiDAR technology to map houses effectively. Think about the technology of self-driving cars packed into a vacuum cleaner. On the X10, you will find AIC, which uses cameras and sensors to recognize hundreds of common objects you'll find around your house, like shoes, wires, toys, pet waste, to avoid them while cleaning. It's smart enough to learn your home and give you customized cleaning recommendations based on each room type. The Qrevo and S8 Pro from Roborock feature their very own reactive tech obstacle avoidance, which functions in similar fashion to enhance cleaning by identifying and avoiding household objects and obstacles. Its navigation with 3D mapping technology enables precise cleaning tailored to your space's specific features. From our own experience, the S8 Pro Ultra does a better job at obstacle avoidance versus the Qrevo, and the X10 seems to be the best out of all three units. Now, in regards to mobile apps and features, you'll see that Roborock vacuums have a very user-friendly app with features such as virtual barriers, zone and room cleaning, multi-level mapping, scheduling, carpet boost, and off-peak charging. On the X10, you'll find virtual walls and barriers, zone and room cleaning, multi-level mapping, scheduling, and eufy Lab with features like smart track cleaning and water level detection. So where does that leave us? While it's easy to get caught up in all the finer details, you start to see a clear separation between the eufy X10 Pro Omni and the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. If you don't care about brand name, you'll see the value in the X10 Pro Omni. The X10 is offering a nearly identical feature set to the S8 for less than the price of the Roborock Qrevo. You get powerful 8,000 PA suction, 12mm mop lift, pentagon-shaped mop pads for great coverage, AIC technology for obstacle avoidance, self-empty and auto washing, drying, and refilling. At the end of the day, all three models are state-of-the-art and jam-packed full of fantastic technology to make your home cleaner and to have you work less.